Pay attention to the words native English speakers use with their loved ones on a daily basis. Using advanced vocabulary on a first date could make your date feel uncomfortable. Only use words which you can explain if asked. When you shoot your shot, you want to let someone know you're interested in dating them and you're trying to start something new. That something could be romantic or a little less. A way to shoot your shot is by sending someone a DM. DM means direct message. It's usually a private message on Instagram, but you can send a DM on any social media platform. If you want to say something nice about a person's face or body, you can tell them they look like a snack. Pull up is when you meet up with someone. This usually means you'll visit their home, but it could also be anywhere they invite you. When a relationship ends because the other person did something you didn't like, you can tell your friends you sent that person back to the streets. That means they are single and someone else can try to date them. You can use back to the streets to talk about yourself being available for new dating experiences too. Shoot your shot is when you try to date someone. Pull up is a visit. DM is a message sent on social media. Back to the streets means you're available to date anyone. Looking like a snack is to say something positive about someone's looks. Here's an example of how a text between friends would go by using your new slang expressions and a few bonus ones. Keep in mind that this is after you and your friend greet each other. So now I'll explain the bonus slang. DMs are still dry equals your inbox doesn't have any messages from anyone who's interested in you. Shot down means rejected. Say less is another way of saying don't worry. Slide in means you'll secretly appear in someone's inbox with a flirtatious message. Bae is another name for lover, girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband, or crush. ASAP means as soon as possible. No cap is used when you want to express you're telling the truth or sharing a fact. Bet equals all right or okay.